The effort put into decorating the town to a grand scale for His Majesty's coronation is tribute to the loyalty that Tongans have for their monarch. But the critics of this king and his government have been vocal. In the first 2 years of his reign since the death of King Tauwha Ahautuwhauwha, it's been anything but plain sailing.
Civil servants went on strike for the first time and they stayed outside office for 7 weeks. By that time, the way I look at it was there was a writing on the wall. It eventually came to a point where it only required a minor thing to spark, the anger and frustration of the people, and that's what happened on November 16. People have been waiting far too long for government to show up and to respond to what the people have been waiting for, have been pushing for a long period of time. That's how things work, during the past 2 years or so.